y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be hanging out, decorating in the man cave, TV room, whiskey room, whatever we call it on whatever given day. And we are also going to stop by the guest bedroom to share the new chair as well as this table and an artificial candle plant gifted to us from our friends at Homary. And yes, before you ask, I do have a coupon code. So let's continue with unboxing this table. I have quite a few items from Homary in my home as well as my daughter's. Homary is all about helping you create a stylish and sophisticated home without spending a fortune. Their goal is to have a magazine life enabler for every budget, and their products are designed to turn any room into a picture perfect space that looks like it belongs in a magazine. With their range, you can effortlessly enhance your home's beauty and functionality, bringing a touch of glamour to daily life. And the fact that this table does not require assembly has me so excited. I can't wait to unbox it even more. And this table is gorgeous. It fits our lifestyle, marrying those traditional as well as modern pieces together. So here is Homery's wood block coffee table crafted from eco-friendly pine wood renowned for its warp and crack resistance. This table features four spacious drawers offering ample storage space while its sturdy base ensures durability. The soft drawer slides makes it practical and a great addition to any living room or space where a coffee table is needed. My husband and I both love the clean modern lines, adding the perfect balance between traditional and modern pieces in his man cave. As you can see, I'm able to store some of those things that he liked to reach for, but don't necessarily have to have them out. And the coffee table we had before did not allow us to be able to do that. Just storing the remote controls in this decorative box inside of the coffee table drawer, it's a great solution for those remotes that we don't use frequently. So they do have a designated spot where they're easy to retrieve yet hidden away. So now let's add some decor pieces to this beautiful and elegant coffee table. It fits this space perfectly. I've decided to do black on black. We could do a little color, but I like the look of that black on black in here. So let's continue on. We're going to add some chest pieces, of course, an ashtray, although this is a cigar room. We do not smoke cigarettes in this space. You may have already seen me use this beautiful artificial canna tree in my living room. I'm going to add it to the space up here. It's going to bring a touch of tropical flair with its natural looking paddle shaped leaves. I want to add a splash of greenery without the maintenance of real plants. This artificial canna tree from Homary is an excellent way to breathe life into this space, making it feel welcoming and fresh all at the same time. Here is the last piece from Homary. It goes really nicely with our guest bedroom. We needed a really sturdy chair, and this one is not only sturdy, heavy, but gorgeous as well. This is Homery's fluted upholstered accent chair. This chair has sophisticated round arm design and stands on elegant birchwood legs, offering both style and stability. The velvet upholstery not only adds a luxurious touch, but also ensures comfort with its ventilated fabric and high resilience foam. With a durable wood frame, this chair is designed to be both comfortable and long lasting. It's perfect for a reading nook or stylish accent piece in your living room or style like I have it here in the bedroom. It blends of comfort and elegance, making it ideal for our home. I absolutely love it. So thank you, Homary, for gifting us the chair as well as the artificial canna tree. And yes, that's stylish coffee table. So let's head back into our man cave and I'll give you a tour of that space. But I love the way this as chair you enter fits the man cave, you see the woods cave on the door. I created that using a Cricut machine. Of course, you can see the colors in the space are going to be mostly that rust color brown as well as black. The wall color is Sherwin-Williams rock bottom. Our first update to this room included the walls and the structure items about 5 years ago, pre-COVID. He even did the butcher block on the two-tier countertop. And we also created this little nook you see here for some of the items I wanted to store here before I added the bar downstairs. We originally wanted to add another ceiling fan in the space, and this room was a little bit smaller. We did have a contractor come in and bump it out 4 feet, just 4 feet. Those 4 feet made a difference. So this space would have ended on the right side of the TV. So basically, we added about 4 feet to the right side of that TV, giving us enough space to move around in this room. I've had these curtains up for about a year and a half. The last time I shared this space, I did share the motorized blinds, but I did not share the curtains. So it's been that long since we've been in this space, about a year and a half. Drapes are custom. I partnered with a company on TikTok. Absolutely love them. They are blackout drapes. They're dark black with this green wall. They look beautiful. Absolutely love the way it looks. And of course, they will completely close. And I guess today is a great day for me to share some of the things I have not shared in this space, like these lights. We added these Goi Lights in September 2024. This is the layout I originally wanted. Although I asked my husband to wrap the first set of lights around the wall into the bar area, he stopped at one wall and cut it off. Cut it off. Then he started a whole nother piece in a different direction, and this wasn't quite what I had in mind. So I removed the longer piece and placed it on the opposite wall to achieve the look I wanted. Going behind the bar made more sense as placing it behind the TV didn't allow the light to be visible. After some swapping, it's now exactly how I envisioned it, and it fits the space perfectly. And since I had to swap the Goi Lights around, that sticky tape did pull some of the paint off. So we're going to have to do a little paint repair right behind the TV, or in that on that TV wall, I should say. And I absolutely love the way this room looks, y'all. This wood and metal decor piece, I purchased it from an estate sale. And one day my husband and I were up here hanging out, and he just added those empty Jack Daniel bottles to it, and it became a piece of art. And this is how the space looked. In this space, my husband and I completely installed everything in this bar area and painted everything. The top cabinets are from IKEA. The bottom cabinets are from Home Depot. Painted the bottom cabinets to blend with the top cabinets from IKEA. And this is a rabbit air humidifier. Absolutely love it. We did have an older model, and that is a newer model. And the butcher block countertop on that back wall, that was a purchase piece. And the other butcher block pieces in the space my husband made, as well as this one over here. And this is a top cabinet. We put a base on it to use it as a bottom cabinet and painted it the same color as the wall, as well as we added those shelves, simple shelving unit we added to create some shelves over in this area. This originally was going to be my little setup area before I added the bar area downstairs. I think I may have done a quick short video showcasing this motorized projection screen in this space. Added L-shaped brackets to hold the projection screen. We did not want it sitting on the TV stand and blocking the view of our speakers. So we have it right under the lip of the TV, and it can be pushed up against the wall or out all the way to the end of the L-shaped bracket. My husband wants to add one more bar to add a little bit more support to that bracket, and it did come with two remotes. We use our own projector. We have a Sony projector that we use for that particular projection screen. We do have another projection screen set up that we're going to be trying out in another space. So this is how the room is looking. We do have some recessed lights in the space as well. The whole goal is for everything to be pretty much controlled from our phone or from a remote control. All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you, Homary, for sponsoring today's video and gifting us this wood block coffee table, the fluted upholstered accent chair, and the artificial cabinetry. Use my code HM97 for 14% off your purchase. I'll leave the links in the description for anyone who's interested. And thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And feel free to like, share, and comment. It does help my channel. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.